channel. So today I'm going to do a haul on Dollar Tree. Yes, I went in there and I was so shocked at everything that I found, and I wanted to come and share it with you guys. So I have a lot of hauls going to be coming on this channel very shortly. I've ordered a lot of things and I'm currently waiting for them, but when I went into the Dollar Tree, which has been a while since I've done like the whole Dollar Tree shop thing, I was a little bit shocked at the things that they had. I'm excited to try them out and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm just gonna go grab the bags. I have like a whole bunch of these and I hope this is not gonna be really long. So I'm just going to grab inside the bags as I see them. And I got these and I thought these were really cute. Like, this is velvety and this has like a little mermaid thing, and every time I go somewhere and I see cute little bags like this, I get them because, you know, as you know, I do a lot of giveaways and stuff, and I like my packaging to be fun and cute when you guys receive them. So I like to grab a bunch of baggies like this whenever I'm out, because I have like my own little traveling case baggies from when I travel. But I just thought these were so cute. These mascaras. This one is Wet n Wild and this says 5 times plumper, and I was like, okay, that's awesome. And this one is also Wet n Wild and it says full healthy lashes. So I had to get one of both. How cute are these? So I got these two Wet n Wild brushes. One is a large concealer brush and the other one is a large eyeshadow brush. I thought it was so cute because they're pink and white. And I found this concealer, which is LA Colors concealer. I have been stacking up on concealers lately because I do a lot of makeup looks here on YouTube, Facebook, really mainly Facebook. I do live there a lot. So if you're not following me on Facebook, you should go there if you love makeup looks, because I'm live on there a lot. And I'm doing 31 days of Halloween, so you want to hop on that. And I do looks on Instagram, so I really need to stack up on concealers and foundations. So when I seen this, I wanted to get it. I'm not sure if this color will be right for my highlight. If not, then it will be a concealer for my eye. I thought these were amazing because you get 2 in a box. And I'm trying to start stacking up on some more of my skincare. And I've heard great things about this, so I kind of was like shocked that it was in the Dollar Tree. This one says Rich Radiance, and this one is Global Beauty. I've heard about Global Beauty, but not this one. But this has cocoa and shea butter, so I definitely want to try this. I always buy these because I constantly use them. But I've seen some Wet n Wild makeup remover towelettes. And it's only 10 in here, but I wanted to try it out. And then I seen these cleansing facial towelettes. This one's in rose and it's 30 in here. This one is in lavender. I swear I use these things, they're done, so I had to stack up on them. Probably should have got a lot more than this, but I haven't tried this brand yet, the Forever Young. I haven't tried that brand yet, but I'm probably gonna go back and like stack up because I really need to stack up because I use them a lot. And I also got it in cucumber. The next thing I got was aloe vera gel, because every time I look for aloe vera gel I cannot find it. So I'm so happy that I found this. I have so many plans and ideas with this. Hand sanitizer, always. That people always ask me behind me. I fill this up with hand sanitizer. If I'm doing someone's makeup while they're here, I just like to have hand sanitizer. And I found these, which I thought was super, super cool. This is oil-free night moisturizer facial cream with vitamin E, day and night. So this one's day and this one's night. And so I thought this was awesome for $1 because Dermacell is really, really good. And I wanted to start having a chapstick drawer. And this only came to me because I went to the Dollar Tree and I saw these and I thought they were super cute. So I said, yeah, I'm going to start another little collection. So we have Smarties. They're like flavorful lip glosses. Mike and Ike, fluffy stuff like cotton candy, cookie dough, blow pop, nerds, rainbow nerds, This is a natural inhaler. I actually got this for my son. He's like sicky right now, so probably should have got more of those. So I like to stack up on things like this. And I got this Chap Ice lip balm in cherry. They had 3 for $1, so I thought it was super cool. Okay, so this I saw. This one is Sassy Chic nail glue. As you know, I wear nails. I do my nails myself. If you would like to see a video on that, please comment below. I will definitely do one. But I do my nails myself. And I basically get the artificial nails and I just glue them on, and I usually use super glue, and they last for 2 weeks, and I have 3 kids and they last for 2 weeks. So I was curious about this because it's brush on and it's Sassy Chic nail glue. The Kiss Super Bond nail glue. Basically, as long as you use super glue, it's fine. So I was curious about this one, and then it's in pink. So like if you want to do like French nails, that would be so cute because it's the pink glue. And so they had these. I always wear claw nails. This is actually first time I'm wearing coffin. I do plan on wearing coffin again because I do like these. But they actually had these, and I like claws because they're usually longer. And these were $1, guys. These are all I saw there because I definitely would have got more. And I probably should have just got more because once I use another one pack, I might want to use the style again. And then they had these cute little nail bow gems. How cute are those? They had this cute little traveling 3 brush set that I think I'm actually going to end up putting in one of my giveaways. I just thought it was really cute. And they had this e.l.f. blush. So I had to get a bag of cotton balls because 31 days of Halloween, I'm going to do like some gray looks, and cotton balls is definitely a must for that. I found these because I love this. I got this out of TJ Maxx. I think it was like for $3. You can get some of them on BoxyCharm. It's like $5. So when I saw this and it was only $1, I had to get it. They had 3 different styles. Why I didn't get all 3 styles, I don't know. But they had 3 different styles. And I guess I'm always that person like kind of like want to check it out first before I just go ham and just buy like everything. But it's really cool. You definitely can see that it'll be washable. It's like a washcloth, so it's perfect for makeup. And I definitely like the colors. I got this scarf. It's a pink scarf. It's for wrapping hair. Here's another lip gloss. This Mountain Dew. And I actually got another wipes. This one goes with the face mask. I probably should have got 2 of these, but I can always go back. But it's cocoa butter cleans and wipes, and there's 30 in here. So if I really like it, I'm definitely gonna go back and stack up on these. And apparently I got more chapsticks. So I guess I started and finished my collection because this is enough to go in a drawer. But I had the Cherry Pepsi. I thought it was so cute, and I had the Gushers. They did have the Tricks. I cannot stand Tricks. I don't like Tricks, so I didn't want to even put it in my collection because no matter what, I know it looks like I have a lot of makeup, but I do use all of my makeup. And the last thing I got was this pretty cute little hat for my daughter. So I tried to go through it as quickly as possible. Don't want to have you guys sitting here for a whole hour with my haul, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I have so many more hauls that are coming that I cannot wait to show you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. And please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Comment below. Let me know what out of this haul you like the most. Let me know if you plan on going to Dollar Tree to hop on some of these beauty goodies. And if you have not, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a love bug. We have so much fun here. I do so many different things here. Also, hop over to Facebook and follow me at lovablekendra. I'm gonna be doing 31 days of Halloween there. If you have any suggestion that you want me to do, no matter how hard you think it is, let me know. I will challenge myself and I will do it. I will try it. I always try it there with you guys on Facebook where you guys can kind of see and do it with me. I'm gonna have more tutorials here as well. And follow me on Instagram as well. I do looks there and I go live there as well. And once again, I want to thank all of you love bugs for taking the time out of your day and spending it with me. It means so much to me. Thank you so very much, and I will see you again here soon. Bye. Love you guys.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like